Hello guys, welcome to my video ulit and let's do this. We're going to play Beyblades. Kinag-Brad Kutsu. That's reaction. There was war. Next, kaya let's buksan. Binat ko lang siya ng extra stadium gear. Tignan na. This is the stadium. This is Horizon. This is... I don't know. This is Valkyria. This is Curse 2. This is our launch. Okay, let's do this. Ano kaya gagamitin natin ng stadium? Pili na kayo sa comments. Pero gusto ko yung malaki. Bibiliin ko papaikutin ay siya. Hindi ko alam pero ito na guys. Wait lang. Ito na boys. Ang intern. Wait lang. So guys, naglalaban yung dalawang Beyblade. Ayun. Sino kayo mananalo? Talo to. Kaya si Valkyria.